everybody, it's Kelly and it's day 26. I am working today on the back side of the second page of day 25, which was 2 3x4s and 1 4x6 pocket. And today I have this photo of gifts from a client. Now, full disclosure, it is actually the 25th today, and I am working on the 26th page. The reason it is on the 26th, I'm going to be working a 13-hour day. I'm not going to have time to do this, and there was one thing I haven't documented yet that I knew for sure I wanted to get in. This is a perfect day to do it because it involves work. These are all of the gifts that I got from my clients this year, and somewhere in this layout I want to include a list of all of those gifts. So I'm thinking I can do this green piece of paper there. I could do like some sort of 4x6 card, but I also found yesterday I was going through these cards. I love this Santa I Know Him card. I don't know, you know, I'm sure that I could use it on something for one of my like grandkids or something like that. But why not use it on my layout or my December daily if I find a place that I can, right? Because it is my scrapbook. So I'm going to just put this down right away because I know I like that. I know this photo is going to go here, right on the back of that 3x4 card from yesterday. And let's see, I think we'll cut from the top. It's a little bit, this photo's a little bit short because of the way that 25 and this sticker lays there. So I'm just trimming that white border off the top there. This is a pretty busy photo, so I'm just going to tuck this in. Maybe I'll put something like in a corner, but we'll see. I'm thinking maybe I'll put the number on here, but we'll see. Okay, so cards. In the interest of making this a little bit shorter, I went through all of my cards here, and there really wasn't anything that I loved. I wanted something a little bit more solid. This could have worked for journaling, but it's so white compared to that dark. The same thing is true here. So white compared to the dark. I did think about using this December, but that's really boring. This one is, I wouldn't have enough room to journal. I like the idea of the color here, but it's just not working. So the only thing that I thought could really work is this one. And along with this card, I do have this Merry Christmas piece that I thought I might like to use today. Now, obviously, this is not enough room to journal. So that could be where my date would go. I could add like that little celebrate in there. I could add one of the little Santas. I'm not sure that that's providing me with enough color though, and I still have not used my Santa. And I'm thinking what I could do with him is he could go like outside here, and he has a little flap. This is actually a gift card holder that I could put the list of all my client gifts on, because I don't really want that exposed to everybody. So this is an idea that I could do that. I'm just not loving all this brown. I want something brighter. So I do have this piece of green paper here, and I really like the way that looks. But then we have a problem. How do I journal, right? So I do have this red card here, but I can't put this on the inside of the envelope because, or on the inside of the pocket. It would have to go on the outside of the pocket. And that would be a nice way for my clients, you know, lists to go in here. And then I could put this Merry Christmas next to it here, except I can't because it's really too big. So I like the idea of this, but I don't like the way that worked. And I think I need some sort of red card if I'm going to do that. The question is, would this break if I used it like this, or would it be okay? I love the way that looks. I'm going to chance it, guys. Feeling really daring today. I'm going to put the Santa I Know Him in as well. The card in. Because I'm thinking I might, you know, put something on top. I've got hearts and other puppy stickers here. There's the hearts. Oh, here's 2 stockings. That could be kind of cute on that. So let's get this figured out first though, right? So I want that green card. And it's so funny because I said to you yesterday I want to use this because it was cream based and the stuff I was working with was all white based. Guess what? The Santa I Know Him card is white based. And this paper is not changed. It's still cream based, but it's okay with me today. Whatever. Okay, so then this would have to sit here. Then I wouldn't use my Santa there. Maybe I'll use that on one of the kids' layouts or something like that. I don't know. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Is this going to work? I just don't want it coming off. Okay, so this I'm going to glue on, and then at a later date I'll write in, you know, all the information about the clients. And wouldn't you know, my ATG just ran out. So you get to watch me change this in real time. Let's see if I can get it to do it fast. It never feels like it's fast enough. So if you have an ATG, save your rings from the old piece there, because you can use them to keep the tape from traveling out. Otherwise it can travel out. And then just put it on like this. Do that. Find the little guide. You hope the end of yours behaves better than mine does, but since it's not, I'm just going to get rid of that like that. And then you snap that right over the top there. Years ago when I first had my ATG, some genius crafter figured that out to keep it from traveling, because otherwise it likes to travel. Okay. And I like to pull my adhesive back to where it's kind of starts at the edge of the roller here. Otherwise it can get all mucky. Okay, well that wasn't too bad. Now I'm really gonna put a lot of ATG on this because that puppy's outside of the pocket and it's going to be moving. Or I'll be taking this in and out, so I really want that guy sticking. Okay, so then I had this kind of sitting like this with the A. So I think my first job is to get the word Christmas down, and then I can determine where Mary's going to go from there. Now, normally when I do these, even if they're sitting outside the pocket in my book, I don't worry so much because they stick pretty well. I've never had a problem with them falling off. But because this guy is going to be on 2 different levels, and I don't want to put any more adhesive or any like foam tape on this, which if it was a normal layout, that's what I would probably do, is put some foam tape behind it. But I don't want that dimension, extra dimension on this guy, because my book is starting to get thick, and I still have a week to go from today's layout. Now I do have other stuff still back in the book that, like, I've got all my extra protectors and stuff in there. Okay, so I'm gonna just put Christmas on here. This guy I know I don't need to use, right, because I've taken care of my list here. Oh, poor Santa, I hope I use you before the end of the year. Just because he's so cute. I bought him a few years ago, like at Michael's or something like that, because he was so darn cute, and I just have not had the opportunity to use him. Almost this time. He almost made it in. Okay, so Merry Christmas there. Loving that. I think 26 here would be good. Celebrate would be good. Oh, except I was thinking about Santa. Let's see. Like Santa there. I'm going to take the Celebrate off for just a second to decide. We could do that Christmas magic there. Trying to think if I have any green larger letter stickers. What do I have in green numbers? I think these are going to be too big. Yeah, those are way too big. Green, green, green. I have my green. Kills me every time I think about it that those cute puffy stickers from Elle Studio don't have numbers. Like these guys. They're so cute. But I don't think I can MacGyver a 2 out of those easily. But they'd be so cute. Now I could like do the word gift or something, but I think there's too much here. I really want that just to sit. Oh, Santa. I think this would be cute here. And maybe with one of the little elves so that we get a little green up here. Or just the elf. Let's see. What do we think? I think just the elf is too small. I actually decided to put this Santa on because he has more of a black belt, like more of a regular Santa guy. At least the more traditional American Santa guy would be dressed like that. So there's that guy. Still need my 26. I'm going to go to my beloved Elle Studio numbers here. I actually think I like Santa better there. And the 26 better up there. Oh, I did think about the stocking, didn't I, too? Let's put the elf back on here. Forgot about those stockings. And this would be a great place to use them. No, I don't. The two greens here are too different. And that seems like too much stuff, as much as I like that stocking. And I want the 26 on the inside here, I think. All right, guys, that's a lot of stuff out on my desk, but I really like how this turned out. Really cute, and I like that this is going to be hidden because my clients' names really should be private, so I like the way that turned out, and I don't think I need anything else. I think there's enough words on here as it is. So, all right, guys, that's day 26 in the books, and I'll be back tomorrow with day 27. Bye, everybody.